Okay, today we're going to look at a PROSTEEL belt sander. This is a 25-inch model, meaning the table or the belt is 25 inches wide, as well as the grinding sanding belt on the inside. Now on this machine, what's nice about it, this is a dry machine. This is not used for wet grinding. This is not equipped with any kind of coolant system or any means of collecting water. Your electrics are all mounted behind here. We'll show you that in separate photos. You've got an emergency stop if you bend up against here. You've got a light source here that if you put your hand through there, or a switch there, and various other safeties in the machine. So this machine right now is currently wired for 220 volts. We're going to start the conveyor. The conveyor takes the part in underneath the sanding belt. Now you see it going. Your workpiece goes over these rolls. The table here is adjustable to go up until you make contact with the roll. And then there's also a wheel on the side to make very, very fine adjustments, plus a digital readout here to see. You can set it at 0 and go up again a couple of tenths or thousandths or whatever you want to do. And then over here you have a start the grinding belt. Now the grinding belt wants to go to one side or the other naturally, and that's the way these machines are designed. So they have electronic eyes with tracking. That's why it needs air. That's done pneumatically along with electric air. So there you see, it's a very quiet grinder, and I think anybody would be happy with it. This is a PROSTEEL, nice machine, 25-inch. Thank you very much.